Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports report.
Batting first, the Jamaica Scorpions were 155 for 4 after 30.1 overs against the Windward Islands Volcanoes when rain stopped play in their regional Super 50 Cup match at Queen's Park Oval in Trinidad. Kurt McKenzie was at 59 not out, and with him at the crease was Brad Barnes on 5. Captain John Campbell made 41, while fellow opener Carlos Brown added 25. The experienced Jermaine Blackwood made 13 and Javel Glenn 2. Daryl Cyrus has taken 2 for 21 for the Volcanoes so far. The Scorpions are seeking a second straight win, having defeated the West Indies Academy by 80 runs in their last match. They had lost their opening match to the Barbados Pride. The start of the quarterfinal round of matches in both the Da Costa and Manning Cup competitions have been postponed until Wednesday as ISA continues to monitor the adverse weather conditions affecting the island. The quarterfinal round of both competitions were set to begin today with 2 matches in Group A of the Da Costa Cup, Steds facing McGrath and Glenmuir against Frome Technical. In Group B, the matches were originally scheduled to begin on Wednesday, with Monroe College hosting Ocho Rios High and Central High playing Garva Maceo. In the Urban Area Manning Cup, 4 matches have been pushed back a day later. Defending champions at Mona High will be up against Jamaica College, and Kingston College will face Tivoli Gardens in the Zone A fixtures. In Zone B, Excelsior High are scheduled to face Hydel High, and St. Catherine High will meet Campion College. No date has been set as yet for the 2 matches which were postponed in the Jamaica Premier League on Monday. The doubleheader scheduled for the Waterhouse Mini Stadium was postponed as the country braced for heavy rainfall. Vere United was to face Mount Pleasant, while Montego Bay United were set to tackle Waterhouse. Defending champions Real Madrid will host AC Milan in the UEFA Champions League this afternoon in one of 9 scheduled matches. This will be Real Madrid's first game since losing 4-0 at the hands of rivals Barcelona in the La Liga El Clasico at the weekend. So far in this season's Champions League campaign, Real Madrid have taken 6 points from their 3 European games, placing them 12th in the current standings, while Milan sits at 25th with 3 points on the board. It will be the first time Real Madrid and Milan have faced each other since they drew 2-2 in Group G of the Champions League during the 2010-2011 season. And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thanks, Jermaine, and that concludes the Midday News package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.